Today we are going to implement abstract method implementation using lambda. So now for that we need to create one interface. Arithmetic, and it has one abstract method add, and now basically what we do here, we implements in a child class and override abstract method, and inside the body we implement actual logic. Now and create an instance of practice child class, and call add method. Add here one SOP, now we are run this program. Now we can see that sum is 12. Here we pass 5, x5 and y value is 7. Now when we define implementation using lambda, then we no need to pass in a child class. So we can remove from here, and also override method we can remove from here. Now define in main method its body, arithmetic operation, and x and y, its value x and y, and its actual logic code. And now next is using arithmetic operation, we call add method, and its value x and y 10 and 20, and its body implementation code defined here. Now we run this program and check out result. Sum is 30. So we can implement method using lambda. So this way we can implement.